Now we have some 5 questions over here, and we need to study this given pie chart and answer all the questions. Total number of viewers 1200. Okay, that seems to be simple. HBO and Star Plus have HBO 72 degree and Star Plus 72 degree. So in all it is 144 degree. So 144 out of 360, right? So total is 360 degree. So 144 out of 360 into 1200. That is a calculation that we have to make. So that comes to 480, right? Which of the following represent the ratio of number of viewers of BBC to number of viewers of Neo Sports? BBC 12 degree and Neo Sports 84 degree. So no need to go for the percentage calculation, just 12 by 84, that is 1:7. So very simple question. The number of viewers of Star Plus forms what percentage of number of viewers of NDTV? Okay, Star Plus is 72 degree and NDTV is 120 degree. Further, no need to go for the percentage calculation. Just calculate 72 out of 120, right? So 72 out of 120 into 100. So that's 60%. Okay. Total number of viewers HBO and Neo Sports. HBO 72 degree, Neo is 84. So that comes to 156. So that is 156 out of 360 into 100 into 1200. I'm sorry. The total number of viewers of NDTV and BBC forms what percentage of total number of viewers? So NDTV is 120 degree, BBC is 12, so that is 132 out of 360. And since we have to find out the percentage, we'll take this calculation from 100. So that comes to 110 by 3. 136 into 3 is 108, right? So it will be a bit more than 36%, right? 36 into 3 is 108. Since we have 110, so it will be a bit more than 36%. Okay. Okay. In this graph, product produced and sold by 6 companies is being shown over here, and all this calculation have already been given over here also, so that's no need to read the graph. You can straight go by this data, the data which are given over here. So in the very first question, what is the average number of units produced by all companies together? So that is, we have to find out the average of these 6 data. Okay, you can even go by the deviation method. So since the options are closer to 700, we can assume the average to be 700, right? So from 700, I'm just taking it just 7, so removing 0, so that would be rather easy for me to calculate. So 700, that's 0, then plus 2, right? 7, 9 plus 2, then minus 1, minus 3, plus 3, and then plus 1. Okay. So 1 and 1 is cancelled, 3 and 3 is cancelled. So 700 plus 200 by 3. So 200 by 6 or 100 by 3, so 33.33. So 700 plus 33, your answer is 733, right? Which company had the lowest percentage of sales with respect to its production? So sales this data and production this data. So we just have to calculate the value of ratio of sales and production, right? So for company A, it is 5 by 7. So just write 5 by 7, 8 by 9, 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3, then 3 by 4, 7 by 10, and 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Now we have to find out the lowest percentage. Now 3 by 4 is cancelled because that is 75%. That is even bigger than 75%. That is 70%. And out of these two, this one is smaller, 2 by 3. So lowest will be 2 by 3, that is company C. Okay. What is the ratio of total production of company B and C together to the total sales of the same company? So production of B and C is 15 and sales is 8 plus 4, 12, right? Pretty simple. Total units sold by DEF together is approximately what percentage of total units produced by these companies? So total units sold is by D, E and F. So that is 7 and 6, 13 and 3, 16. And production is 10 plus 8, 18 and 4, 22. Okay. 100 by 11 is 9.99. So that multiply by 8, that will give us a 72.72 something something. So that is this option. Okay, what is the ratio of total production of all the companies to the total sales of all the companies? So that's pretty simple. Total production is just add all of them. So that's 4 by 3. Okay. Now in this set the questions are based on this Venn diagram. Here the data have been given in percentage. Okay. So what is the ratio of number of, I guess, just a moment. Okay, some directions have been given over there. Total number of novels 6300. Okay. What is the ratio of number of novels sold by store R to that the novels store by store P and S? So R is 10% and P and S, that is 28%. So that is 10 by 28, or we can say 5 by 14. Right? What is the average number of novels sold by store P, Q and R? So 20, 16 and 10. So what is the average of this? 20, 30, 40, 46. So average is 15% or something, bit more than 15%, right? So we can find out 15% of 63. So 15 into 63 precisely we have to do. So bit more than 945. In fact, what we should do, we should find out 46 by 3% of this. So zeros are cancelled from 100. This is 21. So now 21 into 46. Number of novels sold by R is what percentage of number of novels sold by P and Q? So R is 10% and P and Q is 20 plus 16, 36 into 100. Now options are too close because 27.76, 77, 78, 79. So you need to solve it perfectly. So that you can do. So 250 by 9 we need to solve perfectly up to third digit, up to fourth in fact, right? So that we need to. Okay, because there is no other other option left with us except for solving. So probably if you solve, I think you'll be getting the answer to be B. What is the total number of novels sold by T, U and V? T is 13, 15 and 18. So 13 plus 15, 28, 28 and 18, 46. So 46%. Okay. So 6300 into 46. Percentage I remove two zeros. Unit digit of your answer must be 8. That's not there among the options, so it's none of these. What is the difference between number of novels sold by V to the number of novel sold by R, S and T store? Novels sold by V. V is 18% and R, S and T 10 and 13, 23, 23 and 8, 31. So difference is 13%. 13% of 6,300. So that is 13 into 63. Right? So that's pretty simple. No need to find out the individual calculation, that will be really time consuming, right? You find out the percentage difference and straight then from percentage difference actual data you should find out. Sales of mobile phone in the year 2005 and 2006 by six branches A, B, C, D, E and F. Graph and answer the questions 2005 and 2006. Okay. So the first question, find out the ratio of total sales of B in both the years to the total sales of branch D in both the years. So total of B is 140 and total of D 180. So that is 7:9. What is the average number of mobile phones sold in 2005? So 2005, so that is the first one, right? So what we can do, once again, we can go by the deviation method and find out the average. Now, since the numbers are around 70, some are more than 70, some are less than 70, so I can choose the average to be 70. Okay, so plus 10 plus 5 plus 15 so no need to write further because we can see very easily that 60, 60, 60, 65 and 70 cannot be the average, right? Because all the data are bigger than this, right? Just one of them is 70, otherwise remaining are bigger. So average can be 80 only. So no need to solve further. Which branch sold the maximum number of mobile phones in both the years? So very easily visible that from the graph that it is branch C, right? In both the years. What is the difference between number of mobile phones sold in 2005 by branch A and 2006 by branch D? So 2005 branch A, that is 80, and 2006 branch D, that is 95. So difference is 15. Number of mobile phones sold by branch C, it what percentage of the total number of mobile phones sold in 2006? So C in 2006 is 110 and total is 100, so it is 1 by 5, so that's 20%, right? The questions are very simple, I guess. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Data related to number of plants planted by two villages X and Y. Number of plants and 2001 to 2006. Okay, and apart from that, the data has already been given over here. So if at all we don't read the graph, then also is perfectly okay. So try the first question. Number of plants planted by village X increased by what percentage from 2001 to 2005? So 32 to 52. So increase is 20, 20 increases over 32. So 20 over 32 into 100, that we have to calculate. So that's 12.5. So 12.5 into 5, that is 62.5%. Okay. What is the average number of plants planted by village Y during 2001, 3, 5 and 6? 1, 3, 5 and 6. We take the average to be say 50. Let's see. Or in fact this calculation is really simple. You can do the calculation. 42 and 18, that is 60, 60 and 80, 140, 140 and 64, that is 204 divided by 4. So that's 51. Clear? What is the total number of plants planted by village Y in 2002 and 2006? So that's, you just have to add 28 and 80. So that is 108. Oh, so simple. Find the ratio of total number of plants planted by X in 2001 and 2002 to total number of plants 1 and 2. It's 74. Just one option. It seems that is where the numerator is factor of 74, so no need to calculate further. Pretty simple questions. Which village plant more number of plants in 2003 and what is the difference? Bullshit. That you can do, I guess. So simple questions in this session. I guess you can try all these questions on your own. No need to see the solution, right? So just try once. Country, Australia, Brazil, 5 countries have been given. Share in global production, 25%, 30%, blah, blah, blah. Percentage of bus sold out of the total production in respective countries. Okay, so 80%, whatever they are producing, Australia suppose, so whatever they are producing, 80% of that is consumed within Austria, I'm sorry. Selling price of one bus in lakh, so that is 6.5 if we talk about Austria. Okay, try the first question. The cost for manufacturing a bus in country Canada is 4,50,000. What is the percentage of profit earned by the company on which bus sold in the same company? Now total global production is 40,000. 10%, that is 4,000 produced by Canada. And out of 4,000, 70% in respective country only. So that is 2,800. Okay. So 2,800. And difference is what? Manufacturing cost is 4,50,000 and selling price is 6 lakh. So the difference is 1.5 lakh. So in fact, since we have been asked in percentage, no need to go for this calculation, right? Here the selling price is 6 lakh and cost price is 4.5 lakh. So difference is 1.5 and cost price is 4.5 lakh into 100. So this is how we can calculate the percentage, right? Profit upon cost into 100. So that is 100 by 3, 33 1 by 3%, right? When you want in absolute number, then you can go for this calculation. As of now, not required. What is the total number of buses which remain unsold in the given quarter in countries Canada and Egypt together? So Canada is 10% and 10% is 4,000. So 4,000, 70% is sold. So 30% is not sold. So 30% is 1,200. Okay, then for Egypt, 15%, that is 6,000. 60% is sold, 40% is not sold. So 2,400. Okay, so that is 3,600. Clear? What is the difference between the total number of buses manufactured in country Austria and Brazil together and total number of buses manufactured in country Denmark and Canada together? Okay, Austria and Brazil, so that is 30 and 25, 55. Then Canada and Denmark, 30. So difference is 25%. 25% of 40,000. So that is 10,000. Okay. What is the respective ratio between sales of the total number of buses sold in country Denmark and sales of total number of buses sold in country Egypt? Denmark, 20% of 40,000, that is 8,000, and selling price is 5.5 5. 8,000 and 75% is being sold. So it's 6,000, 6,000 into 5.5. So 6,000 into 5.5 divided by Denmark and Egypt. Egypt is 15%, that is 6,000, and 60% is 3,600 into 7. So just calculate it. 55 by 42. Total number of buses sold in country Austria and Brazil together form what percentage of the total buses manufactured by all the countries together in that quarter? Okay, Austria and Brazil is 30 and 25, 55%. I'm sorry, we have to find out of the sold actually. So total number of buses sold in country Austria. Austria is 10,000 and 80%, so it's 8,000. Okay, and Brazil is 12,000 and 6,000. And in the denominator, total sales, so that is 8 plus 6. We have to find out for other countries also. Canada 10%, so that is 4,000, and 70%, so that is 2,800, so it is 2.8 plus Denmark 20%, so 8, 6, and the last one is Egypt 6, 3.6. Okay, so it is 14 upon 26.4 into 100. I'm sorry, it is manufactured. So manufactured is not 264. I done a mistake. Manufactured is 40,000 only. Okay, so I just write 40,000 over here. So 40,000 and 1,000, it is just 40. So 14,000 by in fact 14,000 by 40,000 into 100. This is a calculation that we have to make. So that comes to 35%. Okay, be very clear. I'm sorry for this mistake.